What you're about to see changes everything. Whether you're a cyclist, a security professional, or just someone who wants an undeniable record of reality, the rules of evidence just got rewritten. For the past month, I've been secretly testing the body cameras that will define 2026. And what I discovered wasn't just about video quality, it was about a feature so powerful, it feels like having a digital witness that never blinks. But there's a catch. Only one model gets it all right. Let's uncover the truth. Number 1. BOBLOV KJ23 Pro 2K Body Camera. The BOBLOV KJ23 PRO body camera is designed to deliver exceptional performance in both video and photo documentation, providing users with a high-resolution experience. With its advanced 2K video resolution and impressive 38MP photo clarity, this body camera is perfectly suited for a variety of applications, particularly in law enforcement and personal documentation. Every detail captured is rendered with precision and sharpness, ensuring that important moments are recorded with the utmost clarity. Powered by a formidable 4000 mAh battery, the KJ23 PRO can support up to 15 hours of continuous recording at 1080p. This extended battery life is particularly advantageous for professionals working long shifts or needing to document lengthy events without the inconvenience of interruptions for recharging or changing batteries. Users can trust that they will not miss any critical moments due to power constraints. Number 2. AeroTek Mini 4K Body Camera. AeroTek Body Worn Camera is an advanced technological marvel specifically designed to meet the demanding requirements of law enforcement professionals. Its state-of-the-art recording capabilities allow for meticulous capture of intricate details in every frame, providing not just a visual account, but a crystal-clear documentary of on-site events. This is essential in high-stress situations where each second counts and every detail matters. By harnessing the latest advancements in audio and video technology, the AeroTek body camera ensures that the law enforcement process is documented seamlessly. Each recorded interaction strengthens your case with compelling and comprehensive evidence, preserving the truth of the events as they unfolded. Incorporating advanced GPS positioning technology, the system utilizes built-in GPS to meticulously track and reconstruct the law enforcement path taken during incidents. This feature not only adds a layer of objectivity but also assures the utmost credibility and integrity of your data. It helps create a comprehensive timeline of events, making it easier to present the facts when needed. Number 3. CAMMHD V8-256GB 4K Body Camera. 4K video technology provides an unparalleled visual experience that stands out due to its high-definition clarity and fluid motion. The enhanced resolution allows users to view fine details with exceptional precision, making it a prime choice for various professional applications. The 170 degrees ultra-clear wide-angle capability ensures comprehensive coverage of the scene, making it particularly advantageous for police officers conducting on-site law enforcement video forensics. This feature aids in capturing clear evidence from broader perspectives, which could be crucial in legal proceedings. Additionally, the 4K camera is ideal for various professional meetings, enabling lawyers and business professionals to record and playback important discussions and presentations. One of the significant aspects of this body camera is its built-in 256GB SD card, which provides ample storage for all recorded videos, audios, and pictures. This generous storage capacity eliminates the need for frequent file transfers or deletions. As the SD card approaches its storage limit, the camera intelligently manages space through loop recording. This functionality allows the newest video footage to overwrite the oldest recordings, ensuring that critical events are captured without interruption. Users can select local playback options to review saved files directly on the device, or they can easily transfer content to a computer via USB for further analysis or archival purposes. Number 4. 1296p HD Police Body Camera. 64 GB large memory. The device features a substantial 64 GB built-in storage capacity, ensuring that users can capture hours of high-definition footage without the constant concern of running out of memory. This is particularly advantageous for professionals who require extended recording times for security purposes or evidence collection, providing ample space to store multiple hours of video data without interruption. 1296p HD, night vision, offering an impressive 1296p HD recording quality. This body camera is designed to capture sharp and detailed video footage. It is equipped with high-intensity infrared LEDs that enhance visibility in low-light conditions, enabling the camera to record clear footage up to 50 feet away, even in complete darkness. This feature is essential for surveillance or monitoring scenarios that occur at night or in poorly lit environments, ensuring that critical details are not missed. Number 5. Body-worn camera. Tarkin body-worn cameras are designed to provide high-quality video and image recording capabilities that meet the needs of professionals in various fields such as law enforcement and security. With the ability to record in stunning 1440p resolution, these cameras also capture clear 48MP photos, ensuring that every detail is documented efficiently. The cameras feature a wide field of view of 120 degrees, which allows for a greater coverage area, making them ideal for dynamic environments. Equipped with a high-sensitivity microphone that boasts a high signal-to-noise ratio, these personal body cameras ensure that audio recordings are crisp and clear, which is crucial for documentation and evidence gathering. In addition to standard recording features, Tarkin body cameras come equipped with infrared, IR, night vision capabilities, enabling effective recording even in low-light conditions. The robust motion detection feature automatically activates recording when movement is sensed, ensuring that no critical moments are missed. Furthermore, the loop recording function allows for continuous recording without interruption, as older files are automatically overwritten as new footage is added. If this investigation brought clarity or could protect someone you know, hit like. It helps this reach people who need it. Share it. And if you believe in unbiased, real-world tech testing, hit subscribe and ring that bell. We're not done. Next week, we're exposing the 2026 dashcam that caught an insurance company in a lie. Stay safe out there.